Yo, today we're bringing some serious flavor to your kitchen with my auntie's famous Dorito Casserole. It's crunchy, it's cheesy, it's meaty, and yes, it's got a little kick too. Let's get into it. Start by browning your ground beef in a skillet with a chopped onion, and add in your celery salt for that special touch. Stir the onions real good. Celery salt and other seasonings for a little bit of more flavor. And then once it's browned and you mix all the seasonings, you just basically drain off any excess grease in hot water. You want to mix in the chili beans, enchilada sauce, and just half a can of tomato sauce. Stir it all up real good and let it simmer for about 5 minutes. And then in a casserole dish, you're just simply going to layer the bottom with crushed Doritos. It's pretty simple. Just layer the bottom in a casserole dish. Don't turn them into dust. Just break them up a bit. Add a layer of the beef and bean mixture. Then sprinkle on a generous amount, like a generous handful of shredded cheese. Then you're just going to repeat the layers, which would be the Doritos, meat, cheese, and do it until your dish is full. And then you just pop it in the oven at 350 degrees for about 20 minutes or until it's hot, bubbly, and that cheese is melted just right. And I'm just making sure that it's spread out evenly, just to cover the whole dish or whatever. So that I got it like that. I got me a little salad I'm going to toss together to go with this dish. There we have my salad. I got boiled eggs in that baby. So yeah, here's the finished product, our delicious dish. There it is, y'all. Do a little salad together with it. It's crunchy on the bottom, cheesy on the top, and packed with flavor all the way through. You try it once and you'll be hooked. And let's go. Hear that crunch? Yeah, baby. Piping hot out. This one's for the recipe book. Oh my God. This is the one right here. This is the one, child. I made one mistake. It's still good. All I can say is save this recipe, share it with a foodie friend, and don't forget to tag me when you make it. Tag me, let me know you made this. Got some Hawaiian Punch Kool-Aid. Yum, yum, good.